Flooding and coastal erosions are amongst some of the serious environmental challenges faced by people living in many communities across Bayelsa State. From communities such as Agi and Orobiri on the fringe of the Atlantic Ocean to Ogbogoro community in Yenagwa, the capital city, lands are daily swallowed up by rivers. At the 106th Executive Council meeting of the Bayelsa State Government, Governor Doyediri inaugurates a flood and erosion control board to tackle the problem.
You must address the threat of flood and erosion with the utmost priority that it deserves. Developing sustainable flood management practices. Introduce erosion control techniques. And design flood-resistant structures, among other measures that can be adopted to mitigate the risks involved in the very near future.
In another development, Diri has called on the Nigerian army to remain apolitical, particularly during the governorship elections slated for November 11th in the state. Diri said this when the general officer commanding of the Nigerian Army 6th Division, Major General Jamal Abdulsalam, came to solicit his cooperation and assistance to address accommodation challenges faced by army personnel in the state.
The creation of units and formations are done by the Nigerian Army to respond to issues of security prevailing in the country. However, because of the number of units that have been created, the level of development in those newly created units is very slow. I'm pleading with His Excellency in his normal and usual magnanimity to continue to assist us, especially in terms of accommodation for our troops.
In the immediate past elections, we had all the security services and agencies cooperating and doing a professional job. And I hope and believe that this will replicate itself. We want to see a better coordinated security agencies who are bothered about the security of the lives of the people, who are bothered about the security of the properties of the people, and not any one man.
Governor Diri has in the meantime asked Major General Jamal Abdulsalam to forward the proposal of the accommodation request for accelerated approval. Theophilus Agidi, Rise News.